7 adventurous places to travel on the Earth. Traveling is all about embracing the adventures and achieving just the perfect adrenaline rush. It enhances your self-confidence and transforms your personality into a better one. Also, you are likely to understand the world better after a few meaningful voyages. Some travelers enjoy adventurous sprees like hiking, kayaking, paragliding, scuba diving, and other related activities. If you're an adventure seeker, you must list down the most suitable adventurous places that fetch you the perfect soft as well as hardcore adventures. 1. Belize, North America. Filled with astonishing valleys, stunning landscapes, and biodiversity to fall for, you must explore Belize at least once. This place is the gateway towards natural aesthetics, that to its undisturbed forms. Although the fun and frolic don't end here. You get to embark on adventurous activities like hiking, trekking, ziplining, snorkeling, and scuba diving. Other activities like sailing, kayaking, and diving are also quite popular in this region. 2. Cape Town, South Africa. If you're looking for a destination that allows adventure at every possible location, be it the land or the sea, then Cape Town is the right choice. This ecstatic location in South Africa is a hub of top-notch architecture and mouth-watering delicacies. What adds to the overall experience are the water-based activities like snorkeling, scuba diving, and canoeing. Also, a journey to the ocean takes you closer to gazing at the great white shark right in its natural habitat. 3. Vancouver, Canada. Here's the country with the second largest land area and a population of around 40 million. Moreover, Vancouver Province in Canada is your answer to never-ending fun and adventures at their peak. Most travelers think of this place to be the hub of modernity and technological revolution. Nevertheless, it also has the best adventurous activities in place for you. You can try mountain biking, skiing, and hiking activities amidst the natural reservoirs and snow-capped mountains. 4. Costa Rica, North America. Adventurous places are plenty, but no place fulfills the natural aesthetics better than this country in Central America. Being rich in biodiversity, Costa Rica is one of the most sought-after travel destinations. Travelers explore this region for a variety of reasons, including adventure cravings and natural vibes. You can enjoy diverse water activities like kayaking and scuba diving. 5. Machu Picchu, Peru. Here's the incredible region instilled with nature's wonders in the forms of huge mountain trails and snow-capped hilltops. For all the travelers who adore the beauty of mountains, Machu Picchu is one of the top adventurous places to explore. Get going along the Inca's trails and finish the hiking experience before dawn sets in. This will allow you to explore the night sky at the top and instill a sense of accomplishment. You can also try trekking, ziplining, mountain biking, and other mountain-based activities without having to walk much. 6. Las Vegas, the USA. Las Vegas is home to astonishing casinos and late-night adventures. It offers the most thrilling experience to all the travel freaks out there. However, the city also possesses a rich natural habitat and diversity. You can try out the never-ending adventurous activities like ziplining and racing. Experience the adrenaline rush like never before with the life-changing games in Vegas. Whether it's hiking along the valley of Fire State Park or kayaking in the Colorado River, everything brings travelers great joy. 7. Chile, South America. If you're someone who likes both the serenity of the mountains as well as the hustle-bustle of the ocean, then Chile is the right choice. Indeed, enriched with high-rise mountains and the turquoise waters of the Pacific Ocean, you get to enjoy an adventurous voyage here. During the daytime, you can enjoy the teal lakes and ecstatic glaciers. Thanks for watching our video. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel.